Do you want to keep your privacy intact on RedNote and hide your following and followers list? In today's video, I'll show you how you can do just that, so follow my steps. The process is the same for iPhone, as well as Android devices, and let's first open our App Store, or the Google Play Store if you're an Android user, and you'll want to search for the RedNote app and check if it's updated to the latest version. If you see a little update option right here, then tap on that button and wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of the RedNote app installs onto your device. We will then open the app and now we're going to hide our lists. You can easily do that by tapping on the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen, and that will open a little side menu with a couple of options. Our job is to access the settings, so find this little gear icon which should be located at the bottom of the page. After I click on the settings icon, it will open another page where I can edit and customize some settings. Select this privacy settings section, and after that scroll a bit down until you see the relationship section, and that's where we will find our option, which is called following/followers list. You will see 2 switches on this page, and you can hide the following or the followers list separately from one another. If I want to hide my following list, for example, and don't want other people to see who I'm following in the RedNote app, then I'm going to enable this Hide Following List, and that's it. If you need more RedNote and other helpful tutorials like this one, then make sure to subscribe to App Tutor and I will see you in the next video.